Okay, so if you have a MatchX M2 Pro miner, then you're mining your coins and tokens on the DataDash app. Currently, the most recent version of the DataDash app is version 2.05. There is now going to be a critical update that you need to apply in order for you to be able to be supported on the most recent version of the app. Stay tuned to find out more. So MatchX, using your M2 Pro miner to mine those MXC tokens and Bitcoin, the most essential foundation to do that is the application, which is called DataDash. Currently, the DataDash version is version 2.0.5, but that is now going to change, and it's going to change today, and it's going to be a critical update. So this is very important. So on my screen here, you can find the latest APK, which is still 2.0.5. This is for both Android and for iOS if you're using an Apple phone. Later on today, and it might be early tomorrow for some regions, there is going to be released a very critical update to this application that was published originally on the 17th of January of this year. So version 2.0.5 came out on the 17th of January of this year, and that is now going to have a critical update that you all should apply. I'm just relaying the information that's been given by MXC themselves a day ago. So here I'm going to show you the video of that right now as well, so that you get some more information.
So what are the essentials we need to know about this DataDash update?
So now, this is important. We'll release a new version of the DataDash app. This is version 2.0.6, and there are some crucial changes. That means you must download this latest version, because older versions such as 2.0.5, which you're using today, will no longer be supported.
Okay, that's important news. In your experience, are people generally up to date with the latest versions?
Well, no. That's why this is critical to get this message across to the community. Currently, around 70% of all DataDash users have upgraded to 2.0.5, but around 30% are still on 2.0.4. So tomorrow, when the release comes, please update to 2.0.6. It's essential. Please keep that in mind for the release tomorrow.
Thanks for spreading the word about the DataDash update. You heard our MX crew.
Okay, so that's pretty much it. So it's very, very important that you do update to version 2.0.6, and I am hoping that they are going to implement things like the two-factor authentication notification as soon as you open up the application, so that all users are reminded and emphasis is placed that you do need to enable the two-factor authentication. I do have another video on my experience with two-factor authentication and the awful experience I had in another video that you can find in the link above and in the description below as well. So I just wanted to get this message out to you all, and be sure to update your app from version 2.0.5 to 2.0.6. It's going to be out later today, and today, for reference, it is Tuesday the 1st of February 2022. In some regions it might be early in the morning on the 2nd of February. Okay, so be sure to keep a lookout for that, and make sure that if your mobile doesn't automatically update the applications for you, that you manually check either in the Play Store or in the Apple Store, and make sure that you do ensure that you have the latest version installed. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.